We came here to get us a support system for getting ready for private school.
In applying for the first time to college, it's hard to know, what you should be doing.
Really needed some help with my older son, both with his academic tutoring and also getting ready for all of the standardized testing.
Trying to get a plan for how I was going to apply to colleges, which ones I was going to apply to.
Was really important to me as a mom to find someone who could help them see the success that I knew they could have.
When that connection is made, that teacher that's going to light that spark in your child, it is the most wonderful thing to see.
We're incredibly proud of the educators that we have, and we do our best to make sure that we're finding really the best and brightest.
Why I tutor in particular, it's kind of corny, but it is for those aha moments.
And really customizing things towards people's needs. And I really think that's one of the things that sets Embrace apart. We do private tutoring, and it's really focused on what any given child needs.
They focus on each child because every child needs their own approach.
What I loved about Embrace is that they really worked with us to determine what my son's learning style was. He figured out right away that the ACT was better than the SAT because of the way my son learned.
One of the best things about Embrace for me has been how receptive they've been to my questions.
What was really nice was, first of all, the accessibility of Suzanne.
I think that the Embrace tutor we worked with was really good about talking to us as parents and making sure that we had the right focus for the test.
Why have I referred so many people to Embrace? It's just the full package. Very organized. I think that the pricing was very reasonable and very fair.
And the flexibility of using your package with multiple kids and multiple subjects is a very good plus. So you can see how your kids improving, who need it more. That's for people who have 4 kids.
The results were great for both my boys.
True, he just got an 98. Had to make up this test, and
So really for the first 2 kids, the college application process was a breeze. I think the biggest plus though is the outcomes. We're on our 4th,
outcomes.
and we have...
So they all had good results, which
That's why we came here.
And he actually got my son up from a PACT score of a 27 all the way up to a 35. So I was blown away. We were all blown away.
Go to Embrace.